Diversity.
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 Diversity shouldn't be a quota.
Or a standard to get people to come to a school. Diversity is a way of life.
Way of life.
Way of life.
When we surround ourselves with people
Who are not like us.
who are not like us.
Are not like us. When we don't tolerate others but celebrate them.
Today, we are celebrating the life of Dr. Martin
Luther King.
Dr. Martin Luther King.
Who wanted to do just that.
We will learn from the past
To look forward to a better future.
look forward to a better future.
In this assembly, we're going to examine the past of MLK and his supporting figures.
Present outspoken figures.
And the future of our community.
Future of our community.
Future of our community.
The future of our community.
And so just as I say we aren't going to let any dogs or water hoses turn us around, we aren't going to let any injunction turn us around. Well, I don't know what will happen now. We've got some difficult days ahead. But it really doesn't matter with me now, because I've been to the mountaintop. I don't mind. Like anybody, I would like to live a long life. Longevity has its place. But I'm not concerned about that now. I just want to do God's will. And He's allowed me to go up to the mountain. And I've looked over and I've seen the promised land. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land.